Neuropathic ocular pain and your ERISA disability insurance claim. The cornea has significant sensory innervation, and that can produce pain, which in turn can result in a disability insurance claim. Neuropathic ocular pain, NOP, is a constellation of persistent ocular pain syndromes. You'll have burning, increased sensitivity to light or to wind, shooting pain in one or both of your eyes that may or may not present on examination, with ocular surface abnormalities. Now, ocular surface pain can be caused by a tear or anatomical abnormalities. It could be caused by environmental exposures. It can be caused by nerve dysfunction of the peripheral and central nerves that connect the cornea and the conjunctive to the brain, obviously the way you see. What a disability insurance carrier is looking for in your medical records is, one, a diagnosis. And now that can be hard to do or to get because that diagnosis is actually hard to get. A lot of physicians don't necessarily understand this, and more importantly, they will dismiss a lot of people as being drug seeking. So you want to also have your records explain whether your NOP is present in one or both eyes, how it started, and again, the progression of your symptoms, because the disability carrier can very well seize on these problems in the physical exam findings and the history to deny the claim. They certainly will expect that you'll have seen by a specialist. And as part of that examination, they, as I said, want a concrete diagnosis and a correlation of those symptoms together with the findings. And if you've been dismissed as drug-seeking or anxious, that's going to cause you problems in your ERISA disability claim. Now, the disability carrier is also going to want to see that you have gotten appropriate medical treatment. You have the obligation to do that under the terms of the ERISA disability plan or policy. So what they want to see is that you've attempted dry eye treatments, that you've attempted therapies and treatments to correct the ocular surface abnormalities, that you've consulted with a pain management provider. They expect to see all of that in your medical records. So the key to getting your benefits is to understand the terms of your disability insurance policy. What's the definition of disability? What's the definition of occupation? Take a look at your medical records to see the objective basis of the diagnosis, the history and progression of your symptoms, and then tie that all together to establish that you can't do the material and substantial duties of your occupation, as that term is defined in the policy. You can see it takes a team to get your disability benefits. I'll work closely with you and your physician to help you create a winning application. And if your claim has been denied or terminated, I'm there to help file an appeal. My appeals are 25 to 65 pages long, chock full of medical and vocational issues, together with the law, taking on that wrongful denial or termination. If your claim's been denied, call me today at 727-894-3188. I can help you get the disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of who your disability carrier might be. 727-894-3188.